Hello and welcome to Look North. Visitors to Hatfield Moor near Doncaster are being asked to take more care 2 years on from a fire that devastated more than half of the nature reserve. Staff are warning that dealing with the risk of fire is detracting from vital conservation work. Abby Jaola reports. Transmitter fire are being told that all will be restored by the end. The train operator Northern has brought in its revised timetable this weekend, with the Shadow Transport Secretary Louise Haigh calling the cuts inexplicable. Services from Bradford, Leeds, Hull, Sheffield, Wakefield and Halifax are among those affected. Northern say they've prioritised the routes with the highest customer demand, but Sheffield MP Ms Haigh says the service isn't good enough.
These cuts.
We've had TV and radio services affected by the Bilsdale transmitter fire are being told that all will be restored by the end of the year. The tower on the North York Moors 2023. It's been stunning out there today, hasn't it? Let's get your weather forecast from Katrina.
Hello there, some lovely evening sunshine on the way, followed by lengthy clear spells. And overnight, cloud amounts will increase and temperatures will fall to around 9 degrees, so not particularly cold, and it will be frost-free into tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow will be a day of variable clouds, some sunny breaks, but we do have a scattering of showers. One or two of these showers could fall heavy, perhaps accompanied by the odd rumble of thunder, with temperatures tomorrow just above average for this time of the year, looking at highs of around 17 degrees. So into Monday, winds will strengthen through the day. It does look rather unsettled at first, rather cloudy with outbreaks of rain. Again, some of that rain could be heavy and thundery, but an improving picture through the day as that rain and cloud does clear away. There'll be lengthy spells of sunshine into the evening.
Well, that's it from me for now, but Look North will be back tomorrow afternoon. Goodbye. Let's get a look at the day's news in brief now. The family of Star Hobson, the Keithley toddler murdered by her mother's partner, have led a walk